YouTube channel.
Process of coffee powder making. The journey from coffee beans to coffee powder involves several important steps, including harvesting, processing, roasting, grinding, and packaging. Here's a step-by-step explanation. 1. Harvesting the coffee beans. Coffee plants produce coffee cherries that contain coffee beans inside. Farmers hand-pick or machine harvest the ripe, red coffee cherries. 2. Processing the coffee cherries. There are two main methods to extract coffee beans from cherries. A. Dry processing, natural method. The cherries are spread under the sun to dry for several days. Once dried, the outer layers are removed, leaving the coffee beans inside. B. Wet processing, washed method. 1. The cherries are soaked in water to remove the outer pulp. 2. The beans are then fermented, washed, and dried to remove the remaining layers. 3. Drying the coffee beans. 1. The beans must be dried to reduce moisture content to around 10–12%. 2. Drying can be done under the sun or using machines. 4. Hulling and polishing. The dried beans are hulled to remove the parchment layer. Some beans go through polishing for a smoother appearance, but this step is optional. 5. Sorting and grading. Beans are sorted based on size, shape, and quality. Defective beans are removed to ensure high-quality coffee powder. 6. Roasting the coffee beans. The green coffee beans are roasted at 180,240 degrees Celsius, 356,464 degrees Fahrenheit. Roasting develops the aroma, flavor, and color of coffee. The level of roasting affects taste. Light roast, mild and acidic, medium roast, balanced flavor, dark roast, strong and bold. 7. Cooling and degassing. After roasting, beans are cooled quickly to stop further cooking. Beans release carbon dioxide, degassing, for a few hours to days. 8. Grinding the roasted beans. The beans are ground into fine coffee powder using industrial grinders. Different grind sizes are used for different coffee types: coarse grind, French press, medium grind, drip coffee, fine grind, espresso. 9. Packaging and storage. The coffee powder is sealed in airtight packs to preserve freshness. Some packaging includes nitrogen flushing to prevent oxidation.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.